Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So we can put into cosh s squared to the power of 3. So the next one we have cosh s squared equals to cosh 2x plus 1 over 2. So I will put this one going here. Next, we need to expand this one, and we have 1 over 8 I will put in here. Now, I will concentrate about this one first. So, about cosh 2x to the power of 3, we can write into cosh 2x and cosh 2x to the power of 2. Now, we have the second formula in here. That's about cosh a squared minus sin a squared equals to number 1. So now, I will put this one go to the right. So this one we change by this one. And this is about 2x. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sin 2x. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides. We have 2 cosh 2x dx. Next, because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u, so we have u squared. Cosh 2x dx we change by this one. The integration of this one, we have u. The integration of u squared, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. About u, that is about this one. Next, we go to the second one in here. So we have the formula in here. So we need to change this one into this one. Capital A, that's about 2x. Number 2 with A, we have 4x. And now I will put number 2 go outside. The integration of cosh 4x, we have 1 over 4 sin 4x. Number 1, that is about x, and I will put about c. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. the interaction of cosh to x, we have 3 over 2 sin to x. Number 1 that is about x, and later that we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.